completely not involved with the people. He's too far. Okay, mara ungamalala ukwaze namhlanje ukungithumela message on my personal phone. Angitshela ukuthi bheka la ngizwile lento yenza izolo, ngizwile le yenze namhlanje, and I continue doing it, and I saw a lot of potential voters la ngaphandle. That's why I had to go ngiyobathinta bonke with the bodyguards, but I had to go ngiyobathinta izandla bonke. So I think I know where the South African mind of young people is. Konta bayifuna. The question is what?
Bring him.
It's a bit unfair. I'd like to say, Mabeti la solundi. Il a fallu, on va le goûter. Le goûter, mon sourire.
You must try stand up comedy. You must try stand up comedy.
Vai buzo, chega.
I think
I'm done for today.
No, yeah, he's been insisting that he wants to talk to the people, It's time for him to go streets. And I'm calling it at night on his behalf.
You young people, yes, with all the skills you have the responsibility over black people.
Yes.
So ask yourself, what can you do out there?
Wow.
Okay. And omunye umbuzo engifuna ukwazi ukuthi ubani leyasizwe. Waqala uhambe kuqala.
Makhulukhulu.
Ufuna ukwazi lensizwa ngobani. Ningawusoko. Ubani isibongo? Mthimkhulu. Kwenziwani? Kuyagida. Phela wena mongagida istage reinforcement is uphuma. Wow.
Jeez. Wow.
I've had such good 2 days la.
Yeah.
Manje uzokidana. Manje stage isabelungu.
Concrete.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll give you 2 hours in Zoplong.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, fine. What was the thing? I had to condemn the earthquake. So I say, my baby, there's so many things that you need to do now. So many things that you need to do. So many things. I'm not sure what you need, but there's so many things you need to do. But I'm leaning more to young women. I'm seeing you on that side. Qedile. Cela kuyolapha.